In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood Premarket Trading. This feature allows you to trade stocks and ETFs outside regular market hours, specifically from 7 in the morning to 9:30 in the morning Eastern Time. It's a great tool for those who want to react quickly to news or earnings reports before the market officially opens. Now let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to log into your Robinhood account. Open Robinhood in your web browser and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll have access to all of the features that Robinhood offers. This is essential because navigating with ease ensures a smooth trading experience. Next, open the stock page for the asset you're interested in. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the Robinhood interface. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you wish to trade. Once you find it, click to open its dedicated page. This will give you a detailed view of the stock's performance, helping you make informed decisions. Now that you have the stock page open, it's time to create an order. You'll see the option to trade, usually near the top of the page. Click on Trade, and then you'll have the choice to buy or sell. Select the action that aligns with your trading strategy. Remember, choosing the right action is crucial to achieving your investment objectives. After that, you'll need to set a limit order. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy or sell, followed by your desired limit price. This is the maximum or minimum price at which you're willing to execute the trade. Make sure to choose extended hours if this option is available. Selecting this ensures your trade is set to execute during pre-market hours, giving you an edge in timely market events. With your order set, it's time to review everything carefully. Double-check the number of shares, your limit price, and confirm that the extended hours option is selected. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit. This action sends your order to the marketplace and, if conditions are met, it will execute. You'll usually see a confirmation appear, giving you peace of mind that your order is in the system. Now, let's talk about some important risks associated with pre-market trading. Pre-market trading can be advantageous, especially when reacting to earnings reports or major news announcements. However, it comes with its own set of challenges. There is often lower trading volume, which means less liquidity. This can lead to wider bid-ask spreads and larger price swings. Orders might only partially fill or might not execute at all due to these conditions. Additionally, it's important to note that certain order types like stop loss, stop limit, and trailing stop orders do not execute during extended hours. If you place these during pre-market or after-hours sessions, they will generally wait until the next regular market session to execute. This is crucial for planning your trading strategy appropriately. Lastly, be aware that not all stocks and ETFs are eligible for extended hours trading. This is something to consider when planning your trades. Make sure to verify the eligibility of your chosen asset beforehand, so you don't encounter any unexpected issues. With all this information in hand, you're now ready to navigate Robinhood's pre-market trading confidently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, understanding the nuances of pre-market hours can provide you with significant advantages. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.